Are you looking for a reliable, efficient, and long-lasting way to generate off-grid power? Whether you're building a wind turbine, DIY generator project, or just exploring sustainable energy options, a permanent magnet generator might be exactly what you need. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best permanent magnet generators you can buy right now, based on performance, durability, and value for money. We've done the research so you don't have to, and all the product links mentioned are conveniently listed in the description below. Be sure to check them out if you're ready to take the next step toward reliable power generation. Let's jump in. 5. maXpeedingrods MXR 4000 GT. The MXR 4000 GT portable generator by maXpeedingrods is a reliable, user-friendly power solution ideal for both everyday and emergency use. Featuring Bluetooth app remote control, it offers convenient remote start options. Bluetooth app start, electric start, and recoil start, while the app provides real-time monitoring of vital stats like power output, fuel level, voltage, frequency, and run times. Designed with RV emergency charging in mind, it includes a NEMA L530R outlet and adapter for easy RV connectivity. Its dual-fuel capability supports both gasoline, 4,000 watts peak, 3,200 watts rated, and propane, 3,600 watts peak, 3,000 watts rated, offering versatility and flexibility wherever power is needed. Weighing just 52.9 pounds, it's compact and portable, perfect for camping, tailgating, RV travel, or backup during extreme weather. Operating at a low 58 to 60 dB in eco mode, it's quieter than most generators, ensuring minimal disruption. Fully certified and EPA compliant, this generator meets the highest quality standards and is backed by a 2-year warranty with lifetime technical support, giving you peace of mind with every use. 4. YOYOSCX P2001 Plus. The Ukitel P2001 Plus portable power station offers fast and adjustable charging, reaching 100% in just 80 minutes using AC or combined solar input. With intelligent input current adjustment and a wide 400 watt to 1800 watt AC input range, it optimizes charging based on power availability and protects the device from voltage instability. Its high-capacity 20,048 watt-hour, 2,400 watt output supports most household appliances, while remaining 23% lighter and more compact than similar models at only 22.23 kilograms. Built with a premium Life PO4 battery, it delivers over 3,500 life cycles, lasting up to 15 years, and includes advanced BMS and MCU systems for enhanced safety. With 13 output ports, including AC, USB-C, USB-A, and DC, it powers 99% of devices, from laptops to kitchen appliances, making it perfect for camping, emergencies, and off-grid living. The ultra-fast recharge capability, 80% in 50 minutes with AC plus solar, ensures you're always ready. It also features a 0.01 cents UPS function for seamless power during outages and remote control via a dedicated mobile app. SAW 3. Anker A790. The Anker A790 F3800 is a powerful, expandable energy solution designed to meet the demands of modern homes, RVs, and even electric vehicles. With an impressive base capacity of 3.84 kilowatt-hours, enough to power essential devices for a full day, it can be expanded up to 26.9 kilowatt-hours with 6 additional battery packs, or up to 53.8 kilowatt-hours when paired with another F3800 and 12 batteries, providing up to 2 weeks of power in extreme situations. It delivers a robust 6,000 watt AC output at dual voltage 120 volts, 240 volt, capable of running high demand appliances like dryers, and doubles to 12,000 watts when 2 units are linked. EV owners can charge directly using the built-in NEMA 1450 port without extra accessories, while RV users can easily connect via NEMA 1450 or L1430 ports for full appliance coverage. Backed by a 5-year warranty and 10-year lifespan, the F3800 is powered by long-lasting EV-grade LFP batteries and built with rugged, temperature-smart components. Plus, its intelligent app control via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth ensures optimized power management and cost savings. 2. OUPES. Experience unmatched power and versatility with our advanced portable power station. Expand your energy reserve by connecting the B2 extra battery to achieve a massive 5,120 watt-hours capacity, far surpassing typical competitors capped at 3,000 watt-hours. With a 2,000 watt AC output, 4,500 watt peak, it effortlessly powers high-demand appliances like refrigerators and CPAP machines. Choose between dual charging speeds, a blazing 1400-watt fast charge, 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes, or a 700-watt slower charge to extend battery life. Stay connected with 13 output options, including AC, USB-C 100 watts, USB-A, DC, and car lighter ports. Enjoy multi-source charging via solar, AC, car, or a hybrid solar plus AC input up to 2200 watts. Smart features include Wi-Fi Bluetooth app control, while a 20 milliseconds UPS function ensures your devices remain uninterrupted during outages. Built with a lightweight yet durable 27.8-pound LiFePO4 battery, rated for 3,500 plus cycles, and backed by a 3-year warranty, this IP54-rated power station is shockproof and ready for outdoor adventures or emergencies. All this comes at a 20% lower cost than competing models, delivering more power, flexibility, and value. 1. ECOFLOW EFD350. Capture more solar energy and charge faster with the Delta II Max solar generator system. Featuring a 220-watt front panel and a 175-watt rear side that absorbs ambient light, the double-sided solar panel delivers up to 28% more energy, maximizing every ray of sunlight. With an impressive 25% conversion rate, a single panel can fully charge the Delta II Max in 11.6 hours, or cut that time in half with 2 panels. Supercharge your setup with up to 1,000-watt solar input combined with AC for an 80% charge in just 43 minutes, faster than almost any other portable power station. The long-lasting LiFePO4 battery chemistry provides over 3,000 full cycles, ensuring a decade or more of reliable use. With 2,400 watts output, up to 3,400 watts with X-Boost, you can power 99% of household appliances, while 15 outlets offer unmatched flexibility. Designed to be both lightweight and rugged, the 15.4 pounds IP68-rated solar panel is foldable, waterproof, and built with tough tempered glass. Please note, the Delta II Max and solar panel are shipped separately, so they may arrive at different times. Thanks for watching our rundown of the top 5 best permanent magnet generators. We hope this helped you get a better idea of which generator fits your needs, whether it's for off-grid living, renewable energy projects, or backup power. If you saw something you liked, all the product links are conveniently listed in the description below. Be sure to check those out for the latest pricing and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future tech and gear reviews. Got questions or a favorite generator we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay powered up.